Okay, so this is the second video I ever make with my ugly face in it. But anyway, hello guys, it is Jack and X here, and welcome to this video. I'm so sorry if my hair is messed up. I just had a hat on me and I just came home, so yeah. And I found this. It's a box. Okay, I am so excited because I know what this is. And I've been waiting for this a long time. Oh my god, I am freaking out. Okay, just let's start. Where did I put my scissor? We got the scissors. Oh my god, I am so excited for this, guys. Oh my god, I've been waiting like heck. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I am so excited. I can't open it. I've been waiting a long time on this, actually. But anyway, it's here now. Oh my god. I am so excited. Sorry if my face is half outside the camera. I'm just too excited. As you might tell. Oh my god, I don't know how to open this. Wait, what? What kind of shoe thing is this? Wait, what? How do you open this? It's not fair. Wait, how? Okay, it says instructions here how to open this box. It's not fair. Why did you get me such a difficult box? Okay, seriously, I'm not getting this at all. What? I am so confused. Wait. I am trying to figure this. I don't want to break the box. Okay, I will cut the thing here until I get this open, okay? Okay guys, after like thinking and trying to get this open, I forgot. I think you're gonna cut here. Oh my god, I am such an idiot. I can't even open jars of ham or jam or something, yeah. So yeah, I am a bit dumb sometimes. Now we get it. Now we get this open. Okay. How do you open this? Okay. Okay, it's in a bag. It's in a bag. Okay, so here is this thing. I'm gonna take that last, actually. Take away the box. So I know what this is, I think. I'm so excited. This is actually scraps of fur. Ooh. Oh, whoa, what's this? And yes, it is the same fur that X has, I think. Yes, it is. So it's I wonder what it can be. I wonder what it can be. Oh yeah, here's some more scrap fur, I guess. Same as X1, I think. Something more in here? Yeah, still more pieces. I am so excited. That is actually a lot of fur. That's always good to have. Okay, the last thing. I am so excited. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, if you know my language, you know what it says, if you can read that. But anyway, I will open this carefully because I don't want anything to be harmed or anything. Oh my god, I see it. I just made a small hole. Okay, I'm actually gonna rip this open because it's gonna be hard to not. Oh my god, they are so adorable. Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so adorable. Do you see what it is now? Do you guys see what it is now? Oh my god, you even made tags for me. Oh my god, you are just amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They feel really, really weird, but it's in a good way. It's a special way. I like it. It's so cool though. I love it. Oh wait, if I'm sure this one has a special thing, so I can fix with my phone, you know, when I'm doing my things. Oh my god. This is so cool, guys. Oh my god. It's a little bit hard to put on, actually. Well, I'm gonna get, oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Oh my god. Look at these pop hats. Ah! Oh my god, they're so cute. They are actually perfect. Oh my god. The struggle with fur, you get it everywhere. Oh my god, they are so adorable. Oh my god. Oh my god. They are actually adorable. They're big as my face. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually put on the whole thing. So I'm just gonna do this. There we go. Oh my god, look at this. This is so cool. This fits 100% because I'm gonna show you guys something. Box getaway. You know these paws, these gray paws that I have? They are actually, I got to borrow them because these ones didn't exist when I went to Comic-Con, so I got to borrow these, and yeah. Okay, so a big shout out for Crazy Costumes or Gursu Selmoy on Furry Amino for making these paws. So the plan was actually when Gursu Selmoy made or furred this head, and I sent it in. Actually, these has like foam pieces in those. I actually made the foam fingers, but Gursu Selmoy furred them and stuff like that. The original plan was to get the head and the paws done to Comic-Con, but that didn't happen because the yellow fur went out. So I went to Comic-Con, paid a little bit money there, so Gursu Selmoy could get the fur that I needed for these paws. And then now they're here, and I love them so much. Seriously, they're over-expected. Like how it, like, I have no words. Oh my god. Now I have a mini partial. A complete mini partial. I love it. Like, seriously. Boy, it is your boy. Sorry guys, but I'm just... Oh my god. Oh my god. And of course, the special thing, if I can fix it with my paws on. It's a pinky, or not a pinky, it's a finger. So I can fix with my phones and do musicalies and post for you guys. This is just amazing. Thank you so much, Gursu Selmoy. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Look at my claws. Look at them. Beware, I have a scissor in my hand. Like, seriously, oh my god. It is a wall here. But seriously, I love these paws so much. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no words for these paws. Thank you so much, Crucius Salmoy, for making them. And in the future, I might order a bodysuit from them. Maybe it's the plants, but yeah, sniffles. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you soon. Bye bye.